to use Google Sheets, let's use it in the browser Google Chrome. You could use it in another browser, but Google Sheets is a Google product. Let's use it in Google Chrome. It does work better in its, I wouldn't call it native environment, but that is its environment. If you have it on your desktop, Google Chrome, double click it here. Or if you have it down here on your taskbar, click it once. If you don't have it readily available, if you don't see it immediately, just go ahead and click here in your search bar. You might even see it, once you click in the search bar, you might even see it on the list of things that have been opened recently, but if you don't, just go ahead and type it in. Here, we've typed it in, and if it's installed, it will show up on the list and you can just click it to open it. The fastest way to use Google Sheets is to click in the address bar and type in on your keyboard sheets.google.com. And as you're typing it, Google might even fill it in for you. That's fine. If it fills it in, you can hit enter at any time, or you can just finish typing it all in the address bar and hit enter yourself. If you are not logged into your Gmail account, you will need to do so now. So you click in your email spot and type in the name, or if your name pops up, go ahead and click it. If you've used this computer before and you typed in your Gmail account name many times, often it will save it. Windows will save it, or Chrome will save it. Not always. But if it doesn't, you're going to need to type it in and click next. Type in your password and click next. If you are already logged in, this will come up right away, your Sheets start page. To start a new sheet, we're just going to click blank worksheet. And here we are.